Yo, if you couldn't tell, I have a little thing for Shenseea. I'm ready for you. I put Shenseea up on the board. We're swiping right. Shenseea getting smashed.
Shenseea, we can strangle and tie you up like goat.
Alright, maybe more than a little thing for Shenseea. I have not been able to see Shenseea in such a long time. And I feel like I need to see Shenseea in person again. But how can I do that? This pandemic making everything harder, and I don't...
Everybody, you don't know, so it's a girl Shenseea, and I'm so happy to announce that I've just secured my 9th endorsement deal with Carib. So I need all of my followers to go over their page and follow them. Make sure say on follow them, because guess what? We're gonna be doing giveaways. We're gonna be doing huge reveals, and you know me, performing and so yeah. Also, you're gonna get a chance to win a trip to meet me.
Wait. You're telling me that there's a competition going on right now where I could potentially win and get the chance to see Shenseea in person?
Anyway, the end of the world, we're gonna link up.
Wait, all I need is Carib beer. Take a picture with some Carib beer. Yo, liquor store! We need some Carib beer.
Oh, you mean it, don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it, don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it, don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it, don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan? Yo, what you mean people that don't know say Yaadman Etan? And for those of you who may not know, you don't know say Yaadman is also Shenseea's top man. Is it me I say, like, you see this house right here, so this house in which I live is Shenseea's comment section. Alright? And according to Shenseea, she is now a brand ambassador for Carib beer. And them say, if you post a picture with Carib beer, you have the opportunity to meet Shenseea. People them under them know say me I can't pass up on that opportunity. So right now we're going out to go see if we can find some Carib beer. Alright, so we reached the liquor store, the first one. Right? Of course, make sure say you put on a mask. People them, we are still in the middle of a pandemic, you see what I say? And I can click the link in the description below and get your very own Yaadman mask, your shirts, everything Yaadman. And don't worry, I'll be adding more things to the store soon and very soon. Alright? Ready to go inside. Alright, so we're in the liquor store, see it there? So we need to be in the beer section. I can see the Guinness, the Red Stripe, but as much as I'm trying to support brand Jamaica, I am looking for Carib beer. Carib beer. Hey, excuse me. By any chance do you carry this brand of beers?
I haven't seen that ever.
Okay.
Maybe check Total Wine.
Total Wine? Alright, cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, as expected, they do not have the Carib beer, but it's good. So, I'm just gonna go over to the gas station, get some gas, and find our next liquor store. Cause listen, Shenseea, this must happen. Remember what I tell you. Alright, so we get the gas. Now we have to find somewhere else to find the Carib beer. Alright? So let me strap on in. All nice and tight. You see me? Shenseea. Now forward. Before I drive off, I just realized something. Why should I drive all the way over to a liquor store not knowing if they have it in stock? I'm finding one liquor store, so I'm going to try to see if I can call them and hear what they have to say.
Hi, and thank you for calling ABC Fine Wine and Spirits. If you'd like to speak to a store team member, please press 2 now. Thanks, and have a good day.
Wipe on the 2.
Thanks for calling ABC. How can I help you?
Hi, good afternoon. Well, good evening rather.
I'm looking for a specific type of beer. It's called Carib beer. I wanted to know if you guys had any in stock or if you have it at all.
Actually, just a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a good bit of that.
Oh, for real?
Carib Lager?
What's the name of it? It's Carib, right? Like a blue and yellow type of branding.
Carib.
Yeah. And it's
I have it right in front of me. $9.49. We have a lot.
And it's like blue and yellow, right?
Yep.
All right, cool. Thank you very much.
There's a 6-pack right here.
Yeah, cool. All right, save that 6-pack. I'm coming. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, cool. Thank you very much. Yo, people, them, we'll find it. Shenseea. My keys them there. John, no, I'm gonna drop my keys in there. Drop my keys again. Boom. Yo, I keep dropping my keys. Find the keys. Shenseea. We are roll. We are forward. Alright, people, we reach the next liquor store. We're there, ABC, Fast and Slow. Nope, sorry, wrong one. Not Fast and Slow, we're there, ABC, Liquor and Spirits. Isn't it? Them said that them have the Carib beer. So let's go in there and see if them have my ticket to try and see Shenseea. Ready? Guys, found it. I just come off of the road, and guess what, ladies and gents? I have my Carib beer. So now we just need to set up a little mini photo shoot with this Carib beer so I can get my proper entry. It's me, I say, hey, you are going to be my ticket to Shenseea. But of course, I can't just do any regular photo shoot, no regular pictures with me and a can of beer. No, this is Yaadman Etan with the things extra over here. And now it is time for the photo shoot. Shenseea, I come in. Here, man, I would like to thank the unofficial sponsor of this video, Carib Beer. Unofficial sponsor. Maybe next time you can be the official sponsor for Yaadman Etan. And I want to thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to get a chance to potentially get a trip to maybe can look up in a Shenseea face and say, my baby mother, Shenseea, my there. Alright, Etan. Yaadman, calm down. Hear me, now. Hopefully I get that chance to win my day with Shenseea. Alright? And people, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Please ensure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Is it me I say see the subscribe button? Right, that's all? Like right? Wait, let me there. No, wait. It would be like right? How may I watch this? Like, no? Yeah, right, yeah, right, that's all. The subscribe button. Right, that's all. Is it me? Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on all notification bells. Thank you so very much. Alright, people, them, you don't know, say Yaadman out. Oh yeah, and go follow me on Instagram and them something there too. Big up on the damn self. Carib Beer, big up on yourself. Shenseea, you don't know.